Austin, Texas with the 2023 Crown. This is an Avalon replacement, and it comes with two motors. One coming sort of out of the Tundra. It's a 2.4 liter turbo with the single motor clutched in and out, but also has the RAV4 hybrid, Camry hybrid 2.5 liter, which is a 38 mile per gallon vehicle. It's all-wheel drive, electric motors in the back. And you can see it's a quite unique design and much more advanced and modern than the Avalon. It should bring in a younger buyer, hopefully. And that 3 trims. This is the top of the line, so you get that dual color with black and red. Really nice. Moving to the interior, there's 2 little things, and I'm going to do a quick one on the overlay. But here's where the Qi charger is, and this is a driver assistance system. It's looking at your face and your eyes. Nothing really nice, but I'd have to say that nice 12.3 inch screen, all digital. Sorry, I can't boot it up. A lot of chrome trim accents where they're supposed to be. Wheel controls, standard Toyota, and they got rid of the stock for cruise control. It's now on the control panel. And then nice pano roof. And then this is adjusted for me. Let's look into the back. Again, very Avalon-like, lots of room. And there's that beautiful pano roof. No idea on pricing. There's more details on this Bi-Polar nickel metal hydride that's driving the standard hybrid, and we'll get into that in another segment. That's it from Austin, Texas, looking at the all brand new 2023 Toyota Crown replacing the Avalon.